This is my new bike cover. This is the third one I bought off of Amazon. Same one every time. This is the way it looks after you take it out of the cardboard box. I bought this back in March and I've had it ready. I knew I was going to need it. I get about a year out of each cover, and for $20 or under $20, that's not really that bad. It's red and black just like the bike, and if you order enough items, Amazon will give you free shipping. So this has been an add-on 2 out of the 3 times I've bought it. The bike is stored under our awning in the winter, so it's subjected to freezing temperatures, snow, ice, and a lot of wind. That wears out the cover, probably more so than exposure to ultraviolet light. For the price, buying a new cover every year, it's worth it to me. This one does the job. And you can see right here the big tear in the top. The material's just finally worn out. You can see tears starting in the material. The back is elastic, and there's a little bit of elastic in the front, but what holds it on in the front is this strap. It's just got a quick release. It's supposed to go through the rim, but it finally gave out, so it's time to replace it, because we don't need to see the mirror through there. Got it on just in time for the rain that happened overnight and this morning.